Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how to create Reddit account. So Reddit application is basically a social media platform and online community where registered members can submit text, post, links, images and videos. So today I'll show you how you can create account on Reddit application. For that, you need to first of all install and download the Reddit application from any Play Store or the App Store that's available on your mobile device. Since I have already installed, so I will directly hop into the Reddit application. So when you reach on this welcome screen of Reddit application, you can tap on continue with Google or continue with email in order to sign up on this Reddit application. So tap on continue with Google option. On this page, you can simply choose an account to continue to Reddit, or else you can also create new account by tapping on add another account option. So once you have selected your Google account, so here directly you have begun sign in with your Google account on Reddit. So further, if you want to make any changes on Reddit, you can again tap on Reddit application. So once you get access on the Reddit homepage, you need to tap on the upper right corner profile icon of Reddit. So here you can see my profile option. Tap on my profile and now you can edit your profile because you have directly signed in on the Reddit before making any changes on your profile. So you can tap on edit. Here you can add images instead of this avatar on your profile by tapping on this plus sign on profile. So now you can create avatar or pick image. After that, you can tap on display name and add any display name. Suppose I write here take a studio, so it's my display name. It's optional. Now you can tap on about you and add about you. It's like bio, so you can add anything you would like to. After that, here is the social link option. You can add social links also and add the background image also by tapping on the background add image option here and pick any image. So after that, tap on save option, which is at the upper right corner. You have already made changes on your profile also. So there was no any option of sign up directly. There was only the option to be logging in through Gmail or your Google account. So directly you have created an account on the Reddit. So this is how you create Reddit account. I hope you got the information. If you like this video, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell to never miss an upcoming video. Thank you.